Donald Trump's massive federal spending freeze hit a snag minutes before it was due to go into force on Tuesday when a federal judge temporarily blocked it. Judge Lauren El Ali Khan granted the stay in response to lawsuits by charities in receipt of federal funding. The government said the spending cuts were necessary to comply with Donald Trump's recent slew of executive orders. But his administration was vague on what programs would be affected. The freeze threatened medical research and left some Medicaid insurance recipients without access to funds for several hours. It also stood to affect some early education charity programs, such as this one in New York City.
The most immediate threat would be in our childcare programs, our Head Start programs. And the idea being is that you would have these interventions in the earliest years of a child's life to orientate them toward a positive educational experience.
Senior Democrats were scathing in their condemnation.
This is not bold, it's not leadership, it's stupid, buffoonish, childish of exactly what they did.
It opens up a battle between Congress and the president for control over federal spending, which is a congressional prerogative. One legal scholar is doubtful that even a conservative-dominated Supreme Court will give Trump what he wants.
Courts from across the ideological spectrum, courts across the country, the U.S. Supreme Court, if and when we get there, are going to be pretty darn skeptical of an effort by a president to just so categorically try to get out from underneath Congress's biggest, most important, and most clearly Congress's constitutional power.
In the meantime, another court on Monday morning will further consider the issue and decide if the government can go ahead with the freeze.